How do you feel about winning?
Absolutely ecstatic. Really, really happy to receive this award. It's a great honour, and it's been such a long journey. And awards like this just make you recognise that there are people out there who are recognising your work, and it just makes it that much more, motivational to carry on doing the work we do. I think because as the years have gone and the impact we've been having on our communities, the young people that we support and the families, people are recognising what we are doing, and despite the constant funding issues that we have in the third sector, the fact that we are making a difference, I think people are appreciating that and wanting to recognise us for that.
That's fantastic.
Well, we really recognise the enormous difference that this particular sector makes, and NBT Homes therefore was absolutely delighted to sponsor the award and recognising the amazing achievements that women throughout Wales are actually making.
That's brilliant. Thank you very much, and congratulations.
Thanks.